neutrals here. I always like to just start with a neutral color here in the crease, and then I just build my look from there. And I always love to take my blending brush, and I'm just literally just bouncing all of these neutral colors together. But I love to just take my blending brush from the top. That way it's nice and clean, and you've created this nice half moon shape to create the rest of your look around. It's just makes your life easy, and ultimately we want to work smarter, not harder. Maximum glam, minimum effort. Okay, just gonna apply a little bit more glitter glue, and then we're just gonna let the universe decide what color glitter I put on my eyes, because all of them are great options.
Okay.
Okay.
Yellow.
I really wanted to do yellow. Fantastic. Oh man, guys, this is the glitter. Like, glitter just elevates your look to the next level. You could even just throw this on your eyes just by itself. You've got a look, and it took me 5 seconds. Of course, this is not taking me 5 seconds, but this is why I don't do this every day, because it takes a long time, but when it does happen, it's so much fun. Fun. So much fun. Oh my. Blend it out. That is that. And we are just about done. Except for, you can always have a little bit more bronzer. It's summertime. Bronze it up, honey. Summertime, fine. We're gonna set the face with our setting spray from Glamour RX Cosmetics. Spring rose quartz on your face.
Yes.
There's like a little bit of like pearliness in it. This is my first time using it. Oh, guys,